Romanian Deadlift, split stance, contralateral, dumbbell. This variation of the split stance Romanian deadlift is great for building single leg hamstring strength, improving hip stability, and challenging the core in a slightly rotated pattern. Holding the dumbbell in the opposite hand of the front leg creates contralateral loading, which places more emphasis on the outer hamstring and engages the obliques to keep the pelvis stable. Set up just like a standard split stance or B stance Romanian deadlift. Start with the feet in a heel to toe position, then rotate the back foot 90 degrees on the heel so the toe points out, and then rotate 90 degrees on the ball of the foot to bring the toe back facing forward. This gives you a consistent stance every time. Hold the dumbbell in the hand opposite the front leg. For example, right foot forward means the dumbbell is in the left hand. Lock the front knee by contracting the quad and lifting the kneecap. The front leg stays straight throughout the movement while the back knee will bend. Before hinging, set your posture. Lift the chest gently, lengthen the spine, and brace the core. Your goal is to maintain a flat back from start to finish. Hinge at the hips by pushing the hips back and letting the torso lean forward. As you lower the dumbbell, add a small rotation so that the handle moves towards the top of the front foot. This rotation is subtle, just enough to shift the stretch into the outer hamstring. As you hinge deeper, tilt the pelvis forward into an anterior pelvic tilt. Think about lifting your tailbone and tipping the pelvis forward. Use the hip flexors to help draw you deeper into the forward fold. Another helpful cue is to imagine pulling the upper leg bone into the hip socket as you hinge forward. Lower under control until you reach your end range while keeping a flat back. That's always priority number one. Increase your range of motion is secondary. Never sacrifice your flat back to go lower. To finish the rep, drive the hips forward and stand tall again. You should feel this variation slightly differently than the traditional B stance Romanian deadlift. More outer hamstring, more core engagement, and more hip stability. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.